Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put Jeep Gladiator doors back on. First, gather your tools, including a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet. Make sure your door hinges are clean and free of any dirt or debris. This ensures a smooth reinstallation. Carefully position the door close to your Jeep, ready for the next steps. We want to make this process as straightforward as possible for you. Now for the crucial part, alignment. Carefully guide the door hinge pins into the corresponding receivers on the Jeep's body. Take your time here. A good alignment makes everything easier. Gently lower the door, ensuring the pins fully seat themselves. Once seated, check that the door is level and flush with the rest of your Gladiator's body panels. This prevents future issues.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously the best. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the door in place, it's time to reconnect the electrical. Firmly push the wiring harness connector until it clicks securely. Next, attach the door check strap. This prevents your door from swinging too wide. Give the door a few gentle pushes to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Listen for any unusual sounds and confirm everything feels solid. Almost there. Now let's secure those doors permanently. Insert the hinge bolts and use your T50 Torx bit to tighten them. Remember, snug is sufficient. Avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the threads. Once all bolts are in, give them a final check to ensure they are secure. A quick visual inspection of all connections will confirm you've done a great job. You're almost ready to hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.